to my kitchen. Today is day 8 of our 10-day green smoothie cleanse. And the smoothie for today is kale, spinach, berries.
So it's spinach, kale, berry.
Spinach, kale, berry, I stand corrected. So once again, I implore you, like, share, subscribe to my video, my channel actually. It would mean the world to me. And after this challenge, we have a host of new videos coming on cooking and sewing. So because you don't want to forget, you will do it right now. You will subscribe so that you won't be left out. So let's get to today's video, right? So it calls for 2 handsful of kale, 2 handsful of spinach, and as usual, we'll blend this first with 2 cups of water. Is finished, and then we will add to this 1 banana, 1 apple,
And berries.
and 1.5 cups frozen berries, blueberries. We'll also add 2 tablespoons of grounded flaxseed, and a scoop of protein powder. We're using a vegan protein powder. And that's it, right? So now we'll blend and our smoothie will be ready. This smoothie calls for 2 packets of stevia, but as usual, we will forego the sweetener. Okay, so our smoothie is ready. And so are we. And 1 for me. Okay.
It's good. All of these are good.
I must say that all these smoothies have been great. I can't complain about any of them. They have been so good. And I hope that we will achieve what we set out to achieve from the beginning. And don't forget that I also said there are more videos coming, cooking videos, sewing videos. So subscribe. Until then, until my next video, have a great day.